Good day to all my friends, subscribers, and viewers. We have a new listing, guys. So this is a new listing, house and lot for sale, located in Barangay Katarman, Liloan, Cebu. So this is Barangay Katarman, Liloan, Cebu. A two-story house and lot for sale. So walking distance to the beaches. So walking distance guys. So improvement sa front na ay usa ka lubi. There's a coconut and a water apple. Tambis, tawag na mo tambis. Then mo ni ang giingon sa owner, no, 400 square meters ang yang lot area. Then floor area is 189 square meters. Pero tax declaration siya guys, dili siya titulado pa guys. Tax declaration, updated taxes. Then the price is 8 million pesos, negotiable. So mosugot siya mangyo. Pero depende na ni guys ha, kay kini man gud sa kung tan-aw, since it is tax declaration, mangyo gyud tani kay dili man gud siya titulado. So mo ni, no. So may kumos pagsuway paghangyo. Basta ningon ng owner, pwede siya pahangyo gamay, pero tama sayod god for a final gyud kay gusto naman po silang mahalin. So depende lang nato pohon guys ha. Then mani ang interior, there is one room at the ground floor and one CR. Then sa second floor 2 rooms and 1 CR, common CR. One balcony o terrace dito sa kuan, malantaw na to dito na terrace guys. Sa akong pagtan-aw, okay ra gyud siya kaayo. So nindot trabaya in reality. So nagdepende na to na pohon ha. So basta asking price is 8 million pesos. Sorry, 1 million. 8 million pesos, located in Barangay Katarman, Liloan, Cebu, and northern part of Cebu province. So approximately 30 minutes drive from Cebu City. So dool ni siya sa mga dagat guys, sa mga beach ba. Mas naka-advantage sa niya. Liloan, nakamahal naman ang yuta sa Liloan. So ako maingon lang ko nga offer na lang ta kung pila itong maapas. Di istorya mo personally sa owner. Wala may problema, naramang owner pod. May istorya raman personally. So okay ra kayo, okay? So very nice property for sale. So makita na to ang balcony akong gipablihan. Balcony terrace. Nindot kay improve. Nindot yun. Daghan pa kag mahimo na fresh air, okay? For inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. We will process transfer of title, okay? Condo title, okay? Thank you and God bless. Happy viewing.